This is my no spill container. It's full of oil. I use it on my machining equipment. So this is it in action. Oh, that's my sound effects. So anyway, I'm going to show you how this thing was built. So I have a 3D printer, which is what I made this with, and I've got this Cubify Invent 3D design software. It works okay. I wouldn't say it's the best thing in the world, but it was only $50, so I was quite happy to pay for that. So what makes my no spill container work, I guess you could call it, is it has this special design lid on it. So this is me going through the process of designing it. So at this particular point in time I'm fighting with the piece of software because it wouldn't do what I was wanting it to do, but anyway, I do eventually get over the problem. I think I have to delete a bunch of lines and redraw them. It's quite annoying. Now this part was particularly difficult. I could not get those lines to join at all. Anyway, the software eventually deleted it for me. So I just recreated it, and it worked. Hooray! Still doesn't go. Oh, there it goes. This is the one. Lovely. So that's what it looks like after that shape has been extruded in a 360 degrees. So this is like the lid. Now that's what it looks like with the section cut right through the middle. So you can see what happens here is that inner channel is there to capture any loose oil that wasn't stopped from the inner curve. So the inner curve is what holds the majority of the liquid, oil in my case. And then if there is anything not quite stuck in that little channel there, it will be caught in that piece in the middle. So this is the process of the machine, printing the lid. So there's during the process you have to add support material because of the shape of the lid. So this is me going through that process of removing it all. So there was actually support material on the inside, which you may or may not be able to see from this clip. And this is the finished container after I've been using it for a little while. As you can see, it's full of oil. And oh, there's the test. So it took a pretty heavy tumble and it actually landed right on top of the brush and bent the brush, but never mind. Now the only oil that was dropped onto the floor was actually where it was stuck on the outer edge of the lid. It's me doing a little shake test to see how well it stands up. As you can see, there's nothing coming out of that sucker.